is Easy Pictures to Draw. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Christmas stocking, and just in black and white. We're using this marker, and that's it. It's going to be about 3 minutes. It's made for beginners and kids and anybody else that wants to join me, or you can watch it. It's literally like a 3 to 5 minute video. So let me get your full attention, and let's get started. I'm going to start these little fluffy shapes in a line, almost like an ocean. I'm going to go up here, same. Then I'm going to go across. It's almost like a square cloud you want, right? Pull down here on this side, through the side of the stockings itself. This is where the foot would be, A line here, and a line at the back of the heel, and some stitching lines. Then, on the stocking itself, I'm going to draw 2 circles for eyes. It's going to be really kawaii, little half moon shape up for the mouth. And that's pretty much it. Also, what you can do is draw where the stocking hangs, and that's literally just kind of a square with a line in it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like that. If you like that, press that like button and subscribe. One other thing is go down to the description. I have a how to draw cute ebook. Basically, it's kawaii, and the ebook goes over just really simple things to cutify any of your drawings. It's 10 pages, completely free. Go down to the description, check that out. Otherwise, I'm going to see you tomorrow, and we'll talk soon.